Alright, so our problem asks us to find QT. That's the distance from here to here. That's the whole length of the segment. So I'm going to break that down into sections. I know that that's going to be this section here, QS plus ST is going to give me the whole distance. So I'm going to write that down. QS plus ST is going to give me the length of QT. Now let's start plugging in what we know. I know QS is 9. That's this distance here. And I know that ST is X. And what we don't know is QT. And we actually don't know what X is. Don't know what X is. So that means we're going to have to solve for X first and then have to come back to this. So I'm going to go back to my problem. And I'm going to say, well, let's see what I can do for X. I know that 2 plus 3X plus 1 is going to equal 9. So now I'm going to plug that in. And I've got 2 plus 3x plus 1 equals 9. So now this looks like something I can solve. So I'm going to combine like terms. So that I get 3x plus 3 equals 9. I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides. And we get, I'm going to have to come up here with it, 3x equals 6. Then we're going to divide both sides by 3. And we get x equals 2. So now I'm going to take this, now that I know x equals 2, I'm going to take this, I'm going to plug it in for x. So instead of x, I'm going to write 2. So 9 plus 2 equals QT. And 9 plus 2 is 11, so 11 equals QT.